Viola Davis panics about not being pretty. The 53-year-old actress has admitted her weight is constantly fluctuating and can leave her upset when she's feeling really heavy, and says she's always weighing herself to make sure she isn't gaining too much. She said, "Now at 53, I'm picking out what the pieces are, literally. For instance, just an example, I've gained weight. Now, listen, I'm not a skinny mini. I've never been a skinny mini. I'm a yo-yo dieter. I'm always weighing myself. I always go to bed in a panic that I'm really heavy. I'm not pretty, I'm not this, I'm not that." The Fences actress insists she never cared about being pretty until she moved to LA to pursue an acting career. As she says, the pressures of Hollywood have made her more conscious of her looks. And although she's an accomplished actress, Viola admits she isn't proud of some of her earlier film roles, which she claims keep her up at night. Sick of these promos? Like us and subscribe so we won't have to make up any new ones.